Elegance, precision, restraint. Parmigiani Fleurier brings them together once again in the new Tonda PF Micro-Rotor steel and rose gold. Launched in 2021, the Tonda PF collection marked Parmigiani's rebirth, a fusion of Michel Parmigiani's artistry and Guido Terrani's modern vision. Now the brand reimagines its most refined model with a touch of warmth. Stainless steel meets 18-karat rose gold, framing a stunning stone blue guilloche dial. The 40mm case is sleek and understated, only 7.8mm thin, yet water-resistant to 100 meters. Rose gold details highlight the knurled bezel, crown and polished indices, while the bracelet's alternating brushed and polished links create a quiet rhythm of luxury. This is not a watch that shouts. It whispers sophistication. At the heart of the Tonda PF Micro-Rotor lies the in-house caliber PF 703, a masterpiece only 3.07mm thick. Its 22-karat rose gold Micro-Rotor is engraved with Parmigiani's barleycorn motif, a nod to traditional craftsmanship, delivering 48 hours of power with effortless precision. Priced at 28,200 Swiss franc, the two-tone Tonda PF Micro-Rotor joins Parmigiani's permanent collection, a timeless expression of balance between art and engineering. A modern icon, reborn in steel and rose gold,